What up, what up, what up? It's DJ MB. Shout to Coach AnThony Legins, alright? He has a series called How to Buy the Hood, alright? It's inspiring us to buy real estate, alright? Now, you know I do the same. I always promote real estate, so shout to this brother that's doing the same thing. You can watch it only on REHTV and subscribe now. Peace.
Welcome to Real Estate Heat TV. This is AnThony Legins, Real Estate Culture Mentor. Today, I'm bringing you my good friend and real estate investor, Mr. Joel McNair. He is a local real estate investor. He has 2 local real estate investment companies.
I just want to thank AnThony Legins for allowing me to speak on this program, the Heat TV, and let you guys. Real estate heat. That's what's up.
When did you buy your first investment property?
I bought my first investment property in 2000. I was seeing a lot of opportunities in Detroit, but I didn't know what I really wanted to do. And I was like, the thing about it, AnThony, and you know this very well because you've gone further than I have in some areas of real estate. You know this. A big part of the solution is continued.